Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have some different types of pumpkins that I thought we could paint just for fun. And I'm going to use several different colors. So go ahead and grab your supplies and let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with a large pumpkin that's orange, traditional pumpkin. So I'm going to grab some orange on my brush. And I'm just going to place a rather large pumpkin, circle oval pumpkin shape in the center of my page. And you're just going to work from the top and just pull this orange color down. All right. Okay, so this is one way to make a nice little traditional pumpkin. I'm going to add a maroon color as a little dimension on the pumpkin. So you get to see those lines that you can see in pumpkins when we pick them up. So something like this. Pretty simple. All right, so while that is drying, I'm going to rinse out my brush and I'm going to grab some water on it and I'm going to add two smaller pumpkins just made out of water for now towards the bottom of the page. And this is not, like an amazing composition. I'm just showing you a couple different ways to do pumpkins just for fun, okay? So I've painted two water pumpkins and now I'm going to add in some blending colors. So I'm going to add that orange in and create a pumpkin with wet on wet watercolor. So that's kind of fun. And then I'm going to choose a different color, more of an orangish red, to do the same thing and add another wet on wet watercolor pumpkin over here. Okay, so now I've added wet on wet watercolor pumpkins. And now I'm going to just go and add a fun colored, like a light green pumpkin. So I'm gonna grab some light green on my brush. And this one's just gonna be sitting right behind this bigger pumpkin. And again, this is just for fun, just thinking of different color combinations and ways that we can make pumpkins. So I'm just gonna sort of add this guy over here. And with this pumpkin, I think I'll add a little dark green. And then the last pumpkin that I'm going to add is going to be a reddish color. And that's going to be on this side. So I'm going to grab some red and add just like a nice little wide pumpkin that's coming in front of the big pumpkin here. And so when these are dry, you can add more detail or darken them up. But these are just some different ideas of pumpkins. All right. And now I'm going to go back and add some stems. You can use a dark brown or a light brown. I think I'll use a lighter brown today. So for the stem, I'm just going to make it a little slanted. Maybe I'll add a little dark brown too. Yeah, maybe we'll add both. Just set that in there. And then I'll do the same for each pumpkin. These ones will be a little smaller. All right, so this is just fun ways of painting pumpkins. So I'm going to take some water. I'm going to blend this maroon color a little bit. And then the edge of my bottom green one. All right, so there are 5 cute little pumpkins and different ways of making them. Hope you guys enjoyed that today and tune back in. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos later.